Thank you all so much for joining us at Config. I'm Sheila. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer here, and I'm so thrilled to welcome you all to the Leadership Collective.
And I am Shaunt. I am Chief Revenue Officer at Figma. So nice to see so many customers in the room, and I'm looking forward to speaking to many of you over the next couple of days.
All right. So, what did you all think of the keynote? You like it? You like what we launched? I want to hear from this room. What are you all most excited about? Buzz. I heard buzz.
Buzz.
What?
Make.
Okay. What else? Sites. All right.
All of it.
Did I get any draw? All right. Okay. That's what I thought. All right. Well, as you all saw today, our pace of launching new products is getting faster and faster. Dylan said this a couple of times, but before today, we had 4 products. And today we doubled our product offering with Draw, Make, Sites, Buzz, and Grid in Figma Design. Now, more than ever, the end-to-end product development process will live in Figma. And today, also in the keynote, Dylan talked about how we see that product development process changing and how design is more than just a part of the process. It is the process, but we all knew that already. And we all know something else is happening. AI is changing the game completely, and everyone here in this room is helping to lead through that change. I don't know if you all saw the letters from Shopify and Duolingo just about how their companies are being taken over by AI, and you're probably asking yourself, as we are as well, how does that apply to me? Should we be doing that? And so many of you have told me over the past day or two that your CEO is coming up to you saying, what are we doing about AI? And you have to have an answer for that. Well, it's top of mind for all of us right now. But we also know that the perception and reality is not always the same. We recently conducted a survey of 2,500 designers and developers, and we asked them about their perceptions of AI. And in that survey, 85% of people agreed that learning to work with AI will be essential to my success in the future. But only a third of respondents said that they can trust the outputs from AI in their work. And as leaders, we all have to figure out how to bridge that gap between the reality of today and the promise of tomorrow. Here at Figma, we're wrestling with this just like all of you. Our team loves to say that in a world where AI makes it easier than ever to ship software, design is the differentiator between shipping just anything and shipping something great. And that's why we're all here.
Oops. So just quickly echoing something Sheila said earlier, I've been having a lot of conversations with leaders in this room about the evolution that our industry is going through and how to lead effectively through this change. So we've got 2 days filled with a bunch of sessions, conversations about what's happening now and what's coming up next. We're going to be talking about how design is a team sport and how now, kind of more than ever, we need to find different ways of working together across designers, developers, marketers, and more. We have to go from idea to production even faster than ever before with changing resources and tools. Speaking of tooling, we will be looking at how AI and other technologies are changing how products are designed and built. And of course, we're here to learn from the best. So some of the most interesting, memorable, and world-changing products have come from people that have dared to go off the beaten path. And we have stories from those innovators across every industry to show us how it's possible for all of us as well.
So for the next 2 days, let's share and learn from each other. And the learning doesn't have to stop here, because this experience, this leadership collective, is going on the road later this year, coming to a city near you all over the world. So that's coming soon. Can't wait to see you all again after this.